a triangle has vertices. Remember, vertices is just a posh word for corners or coordinates on the case of a grid. 2, 1, 4, 1, and 2, 4. I reflect the shape in the x-axis. What are the coordinates of the triangle? Now, easiest thing to do here is just give it a quick sketch. So if we draw a sketch of a pair of axes, okay, and we imagine 0 being in the middle, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously, we'd have negative numbers going the other way, like so. -1, -2, -3, -4. So if we just quickly plot the points, 2, 1, 2 across, 1 up, 4, 1, 4 across, 1 up, and 2, 4, 2 across, 4 up, your triangle is going to basically look like that. But it says reflect it in the x-axis. So the x-axis becomes the mirror line. So the x-axis, that grey line there, becomes the mirror line. So if reflected in the x-axis, each corner gets reflected across. So 2 across 1 up becomes 2 across 1 down. So that'll become 2 across -1 down like that. The 2 across 4 up becomes 2 across 4 down. So it'll be down there. So 2 across 2, -4. And the 4 across 1 up becomes 4 across 1 down, which is going to be 4, -1. Now, as you can see, this highlights what happens with a reflection in the x-axis. If you are reflecting in the x-axis, your second coordinate, your second number in each coordinate changes to the opposite symbol. So this 1 becomes -1, this 1 becomes -1, and this 4 becomes -4. If you were doing it in the y-axis, so if it was a y-axis, it would be your first coordinate that would change to the opposite symbol. Because a reflection in the y-axis would be 2 to the right, 1 up. So the reflection would be 2 to the left, 1 up. 4 to the right, 1 up would become 4 to the left, 1 up. And 2 to the right, 4 up would become 2 to the left, 4 up. So a reflection in the y-axis would leave you with these coordinates. And if that I'm just going over in big blue dots now. So first one will be -2, 1. This one will be -4, 1. And this one at the top here would be -2, 4. To cut a long story short, a reflection in the x-axis makes any coordinate that was up then become down, so it makes the second number negative, and a reflection in the y-axis makes any coordinate that was to the right then go to the left. So that's going to make all the first numbers negative. X-axis makes all the second numbers switch the symbol from positive to negative. Reflection in the y-axis makes all the first numbers switch the symbol from positive to negative.